Hey guys, back at it again. This time, special guest, Luna. Yeah. Today we're gonna be doing some good old hot and spicy noodles. Now this guy is actually find the packaging here. This one right here, so it's like Tokyo noodle. Pretty good stuff. It's got like this little dude on there. Wait till you see his face. It's funny. He's like, oh no, it's too hot, spicy. Right? So, you know, got that. Oh man. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Yeah? Yeah? I mean, look how good she is. Like, look how good she is. Look at that. Look how sweet. Yeah? She's a good girl. She's a good girl. It's basically the Luna show. I mean, that's how it is, the Luna show. Yeah. Is it the Luna show? 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 It's the Luna show. Is it the Luna show? It's the Luna show. Good girl. Okay. All right. So, what I'm doing now is I'm ripping the lid off this thing. Done, right? Now this one's a little different. So with this one, you rip the whole thing off. You know, sometimes you have to keep it on. So then you have these 3 packets, right? And it says you gotta put the veggies in, and then you gotta put this packet in, and you gotta put the chili sauce in. But I do it actually a little differently with this particular recipe. You know, right now it's just like regular ass noodles, regular ass ramen, right? But what you do is you fill this thing up with some water. That's what I'm doing now, is just filling it up. Done. Alright. Just filled it up. Then you just pop that shit in the microwave. And yeah. You pop it in there, and then you're just like, do, we're heating it up. You gotta remember how long it takes. I think it's 3 minutes. Pretty sure it's the 3 minute window. Yeah, it's standard 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Yep, my little helper here. She's my little helper, you know. Yeah. Are you my little helper? Yeah. Aw. She's my little helper. We're getting things done today. Yeah? Yep. Now see, the thing about Luna is she actually likes spicy stuff. I'm not gonna give her anything too spicy, right? But she actually likes spicy stuff a lot. She thinks I'm talking to her, but you know, I am talking to her a little bit. Anti. That's the new, you know, it's like new lingo, guys. Catch up with the times. Still have about 2 minutes left, so if you're wondering. Yeah, I know. Hey, in the meantime, we can have some spicy chips. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, the Blaze, they're pretty sweet. They're like sweet and spicy. Pretty good. These are like Luna's favorites, so that's why I'm like, all right, let's give it some. Delicious. Ah, shit, I dropped one. Man. Alright, since it's the Luna show and everything, she's gonna get the chip. You want the chip? Sit. Wait. Wait. Okay, take it. Good girl. Watch how much she loves this. She loves it so much. It's legit her favorite chip ever. It's like looking for more. She's like, man, there's chips around here anywhere? Yeah, did you like that? Good job. Good job. Yeah, she loves it. She loves it. She loves it. We love spicy stuff. Don't we? Yeah. We got 41 seconds left. 41 seconds. Okay. Yeah. That's good stuff. It's good stuff, right? Right, Luna? Good stuff? Yeah. Yeah, true. Yep, she's a good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl. Okay, okay. So I like my ears sometimes. All right. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Hey, 3, 2, 1. How'd I know? Okay, so now you take this shit out. It's like fucking hot as shit. Okay, so now you're like, oh well, you know, just regular ass fucking noodles, right? So then you actually take all this shit. What I'll do is probably set this shit up over here. Yeah, that looks pretty good right there. I don't know, maybe right. There we go. All right, boom. Boom. All right, so these guys are actually noodles as well. They already have some seasoning in there, and so basically what I do is I just pop those in there. They start cooking down, right? Then I take all this shit, like every single bit, and actually rummage it in here. So it's going and it's gone. And then I take this little packet here. This is like the packet sauce. The sauce. This is like it's not hot sauce kind of stuff. Then you take the chili sauce. Take this chili sauce. Chili sauce is kind of weird how it works. You got to basically split it right down the middle. Is what I found that is the easiest way. And you just basically mush it out. It's kind of weird. It looks weird. It is weird. Everybody knows it's weird. It's like bleh. Bleh. Pretty good though, I have to admit. And this by itself is actually pretty good. It's pretty good and spicy, but obviously this isn't a good and spicy show. God, I got chili sauce everywhere. All right. Okay. Now, I'm gonna mix it up so I can give Luna some. Because of course she's been waiting, right? I mean, yeah, she got the chip. Oh, she found another piece. Found another piece of chip. All right. And then we'll get super spicy after that. Because I'm definitely not gonna. That's got torturous, really, if you don't. This is gonna be like Lady and the Tramp, except we don't kiss. I just watched the new live action Lady and the Tramp. It's pretty good. Dang it. Okay, if I could just freaking twirl this thing, we'd be freaking business, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. So let's get down here to the business. All right, take it. Just like Lady and the Tramp. Man, she ate that quick. Did you like it? She's like, hell yeah. So good. Where is it? Give me more. She loves it. She loves it. All right, cool. So there's that. You know, good stuff. So now, you Lunar show's over now. As we now get into the death area. All right. So I don't really have any new sauces, right? Because I know last time we had some new sauce and I went overboard and killed myself. So yeah, that wasn't good. And before that, I used that same sauce and didn't die at all and hated it. So this time what we'll do is kind of do a little bit of a mix between the two of them. It's been a while since I've done one, and that is because of the last time. So let's be realistic here and say, let's get this going again, dude. I am ready to smash some stuff in there. Huh. I've got a couple. Just thought I had a little bit more kick. It's gotta be that little something something, you know what I mean? You know what? I do have a little something something. Here we go. Yeah, okay. So, alright, you've got the ghost pepper condiment, alright? You've got the good old After Death. Then you got the good old Megadeth, right? So this, and then I'll probably do one more, but I actually have to get it from upstairs. So I'll be right back. Good girl. Okay, I'm back, and I brought in the coffin. Oh, the coffin. Oh, the coffin. Unholy Trinity, and some Jack Daniel's Tennessee Taster selection. So I'm going to drop a little bit of this in there. Let's get to it. So those are the things. Hopefully I demonstrated appropriately what each, were. So you can look those up if you want to try them. Woo, man. I ran up and down the stairs. So, okay, first we're going to add the liquor in there. Yeah. Good old whiskey noodles. Let's see. Good old whiskey noodles. Boom. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, much better. I got a pillow so I can be on ease. All right. Done, right? The whiskey was probably the easiest part. Okay, I'm going to go with the least hot first, which is, I believe, this one. Pretty sure. This is probably going to be the least hot of all three. So it's the ghost pepper condiment. Pop that in there. All right, and let's see if I can do this. Yeah, so you can see. I got a little bit in there. Let's see if you can see better this way. There we go. Yeah, got a little bit in there. A little bit. I'll be able to clean that later. It doesn't matter. Oh, wait. I gotta go. I believe the After Death. Yes, okay. The After Death is actually not too bad. Okay, you go and pop some of that in this quadrant. Oh God. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and you can see that one. It's kind of thicker like that one. Oh, fuck. Keep doing that shit. Okay. All right. Now this one, Megadeth, is really bad. It's like the worst you can get. It's scary. It's scary hot. Oh, God. You can tell by the red. It's like super red. That's hard for you guys to see that. Okay. Actually, what I'll do, it's the one that's super red in there. I don't know. I'll do a bird's eye before I eat it. You know, or before I mix it in. Obviously, I guess I'm gonna mix it in. The unholy trinity, guys. It's amazing. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. And apply pressure. So this one looks actually really similar to the, so it's gonna kind of be hard to see how much of that I put in there for you guys. But you'll be able to see it, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. There it goes. All right. That's the good shit right there. Yes. Okay. So now we're going to the table to actually sit down. And then I'll clean up the kitchen after that. So fun times. You'd think I would do it in order, you know, clean up the kitchen, then do all this random shit. But that's not the case. I mean, it's a Saturday, you know? Fuck it. All right. Okay. Wow, it looks like I'm a giant. I'm like, I must get the giant bowl. Oh, God. All right. Okay. Excellent. All right. This looks pretty good. Let me move this back a little bit. Oh, it's like perfection. Perfection. Okay, cool. So we're going to mix this up. Oh, well, you know, you can't really see the bowl, though. There we go. There we go. Okay, now. Ooh, yeah, I can lean back. That's cool. All right. We're going to give Luna a little treater. We're going to give her one of these greenies things. I don't know if you can see that at all. Here we go. Oh, here you go. Greenies. Brush your teeth, good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Take it. Good girl. Okay, so that way I'm not like eating all this food and she's like, really, dude? You're not gonna give me anything? Piece of shit. I mean, I did give her some. She liked it. She liked it a lot. But, you know, I'm not gonna give her this. I'd kill her, probably. She'd be pretty mad at me. Oh, man, the smell is just already so much. I wonder how that whiskey's gonna be in there. It's gonna be awesome. Whiskey noodles, dude? Hell yeah. That's a really good whiskey, by the way. It's almost, it's actually made in these wine barrels, right? And so it has like a little hint of like a wine flavor. Pretty good. I think the most difficult thing is having a beard and eating this stuff because it gets all up in your beard. And then like later on, like, you know, an hour later, you're like, oh, it's hot again. Why? You know, that's just how it is. Okay, I think we've mixed it enough. I just don't want it to be too hot with fire, you know. So I like burn my face off while I'm eating it. So, man, you know, I need a better fork. I need some kind of, you know what, guys? All right, I'm going to treat you guys today because I don't even want to eat with a fork, guys. I don't even want to eat with a fork. I'm a real boy. Let's see. Yeah, so Bradley Mullins actually got us this from Japan. Do I have it the right side up? Yes, I do. Okay, great. No, I don't. Damn it. All right. Yes, from Japan. Chopsticks. Heck yeah. Super fun. All right, one chip. Here you go. Chip, chip, chip. Good girl, Chip. She likes the chips, so I just gave her another one. Oh God, I'm dying. Okay, okay. Woo. Okay. Okay, much better. I mean, I don't know why. Forks are just so difficult. Like, I don't understand it. Like, this is way better. It's not as hot as I expected. I mean, as far as heat factor. But I can tell it's going to be spicy, that's for sure. But I'm glad it's not like burning my mouth with flame, you know. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's good. It's real good. Oh my gosh. It's like all bundled together. A bundle of joy. Yep, there we go. That's what I needed. Ooh, that was a little hot. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Woo. Yep. Oh man, girl. That's right. So metal. Yeah, dude. I'm ready. Look at that. Dudes and dudettes. Got this. Got him. Nailing it, man. Dude, this is noodle. This is noodle, that's for sure. There's lots of them. Mm-hmm. See, forks just can't do this. Forks literally, there's no way. Fuck forks, man. Fuck forks. Oh, shit. Oh, nope. It fell right here. It's fine. Oh. Now I can't touch my eye with the same. That's how it works, man. You know? You know what's sad is I don't taste the whiskey. It's getting real good and spicy down at the bottom. There it is. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, this shirt is like fitting for the day. It's great. Yeah.
Boom. Who's gonna win, Ultraman or Godzilla?
Yeah, true. It's a tough guess. It's a tough guess. I mean, okay, vote. Godzilla, Ultraman. Wait, here's Ultraman, sorry. Ultraman, Godzilla. Which one? What do you guys think? Woo! It's getting there, man. It's getting to that bottom. I still got plenty of noodles left, though. Shit. Okay, well, man. Oh, well. Can't really tell. Okay. You got it. See? You got it? All right. Woo. Yeah. Feeling good. Yeah. It gets really hot at the bottom. Woo! Letting the hair down. We got this. We're going in, guys. We're going in. Oh, fuck me. There it is. Oop. There we go. Nice. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Right there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Damn good. Here it is. Boom. Next drop. The difficult part about it is it has all the littler noodles. No more big noodles. But I think that's kind of good in a way. You know? Because, yeah, you have to take smaller bites. You can't just chomp it down. But your lips are saved a little bit. Here we go. That's expertise right there. That's professionalism. Woo! Don't want to touch your lips, you know. If you can. I mean, the first stuff was, I mean, they burn, but it's like, eh. This is hot, though. It is really hot. And my tongue's like going numb almost. Man, that's good shit. Uh-huh. Shike. Oh, no. It fell. Yeah, I did it, dude. I fucked up. I did it, dude. I fucked up. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay. I'm on the last little bit now. got a voice in my head that's saying, drink it like a soup. Drink it like a soup. It's screaming at me. It says, drink it like a soup. What do you guys think? Huh? Should I do it? Should I drink it like a soup, guys? Drink it like a soup. Drink it like a soup. Peer pressure. Peer pressure from my own brain. How does that work? I'm trying to scoop everything into the soup. I don't want to miss anything, you know? Okay, guys. See? It's like a soup. It's like a soup, see? Drink it like a soup. God damn it. I don't want to. It's a bad idea. I did it though.
It's done. The soup is drank. The soup has been consumed.
Look at that. How cool is that? Wom! Wom!
Yeah, it's a tank.
Alright, guys. What if it was just like this and my head was just in there? What? Nothing? Yeah? Nothing? Oh, yeah. Okay. So now it's time to put the hair back up. Nothing. Enjoy the rest of my day. Hi, guys. I'll see you next time.